Hi everybody, Patrick here from EngineeringShock.com, PaintballProps.com, and our newest site, EscapeRoomElectronics.com. That site is currently being built. It'll be up and running very, very soon. This is our latest escape room prop. It comes with everything you see here. 12-volt 1-amp wall adapters plugged in right now. Controller board. I'll talk about the controller board a bit later. Electromagnet. And two conductive surfaces. They are essentially printed circuit boards with nothing on them, and they are connected to the main board via 1.5 meter cables connected to alligator clips. Now you don't need to use these pads, but you can connect these alligator clips to anything that's very conductive. So if I touch this, nothing. If I touch this, nothing. There's an indicator LED, as you notice that it flashes, and that's because my body is coupling some very, very low voltage signals over, but nothing happens. If I touch both, you'll notice that the electromagnet pops up, and as soon as I let go, it becomes energized again. Now, obviously, you'd want to have this mounted because it's popping off and going in all different directions. Now, I've tested this with 4 people. It will work with 5 people. The problem is and it's not a problem, the more people that you have daisy-chained, the more electricity that you couple. Up to 5 people touching this left plate will cause this LED to turn on a little bit, but I've programmed it so it will not respond to it. You need everyone to be connecting hands from this one to de-energize the electromagnet. It's very, very cool, very well done. I mean, I'm very happy with how it turned out. The 2 probes connect from this 2-pin terminal block. The mounting hardware comes with this electromagnet. If you look at the links below, once I've put the links in for this product, you'll also find another video for this electromagnet and how to mount it. So let's have a look at the main board. I can customize this to work with external circuits like audio chips that can talk. I can do just about whatever I want with this because I've got an interface that allows for me to communicate with this board from another board. But standard operation and the standard listing will be for what you just saw. Now there's a 2-pin terminal block here labeled mag red and mag black. If you want to use the electromagnetic solenoid, connect the red wire to mag red, black wire from the electromagnet to mag black. And also what you need to do is you need to jump this jumper right here. Hopefully you can see it. It's labeled EN1 and EN2. You need to short both of them in order to use the electromagnet. If you are not using the electromagnet and you want to use the relay to control higher power devices such as AC devices, 120 volt AC devices, then you want to make sure that both of those jumpers are removed before using the 3-pin terminal block relay. If you don't and you connect 120 volts AC with both of those jumpers connected, you'll fry the circuitry. Now let's talk about the 3-pin terminal block. Sorry, I know it's I'm just going to try to focus it. Okay, so there's 3 pins here, CO, NC, and NO. When the relay is off, by default, the CO pin, the common pin, connects to the normally closed pin. So by default, these 2 are connected internally, and they've got very thick traces, so it's an isolated on-off switch, just like the on-off switch used in your to light up your room. When the relay turns on, the NC pin disconnects from the CO pin, and the CO pin connects to the NO pin. So by default, these 2 pins are connected, and when the relay turns on, these 2 pins are connected. So you can use this to control very very high power electronics. So if you want something to be normally on, you'd connect these 2 as a switch, and when the relay turns on, it breaks that connection. If you want something to be normally off, you'd connect one end of the load here and the other end here, and when the relay turns on, it would switch and those two would connect. Hopefully that makes sense. If you require more of an explanation, feel free to send us a message through either EscapeRoomElectronics.com, EngineeringShock.com, or PaintballProps.com. I'll be answering personally. My name is again Patrick. I'll be answering you personally. So this is the prop. Very easy to use, comes to you fully assembled. All you need to do is screw in your probes, connect your probes to a conductive surface, and have your escape room players daisy chain themselves to touch both of the both of the conductive surfaces at the exact same time to deactivate the electromagnetic solenoid. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, again, please contact us. Have a great day.